girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, I love that.
Change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my mind, oh my, you know how it feels, you know how it feels. Oh my, pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for WavyMy hair. This is my very first time ever working with them, and today I'm reviewing one of their closure units. I really love this particular closure unit because as you guys can see, I didn't have to use any baby hair right here. This is actually a glueless install. I didn't use anything to adhere the unit. This is one of their highlighted units. This is a highlighted closure unit. I do currently have have this one in an 18-inch, but for me, I feel like it's shorter than 18 inches, but you know, they usually go based off of the stretch length. So that would mean like however far you actually pull the hair down, then that's how they measure the hair. But to me, it just seems a little bit shorter than that. This is a really great bob. I actually haven't done bobs in a while, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to do so. Typically, you guys know that I tend to wear really long units. I'm more so like 24, 26, 30 inch even. That's more so my kind of vibe. But I wanted to switch it up a little bit and do a bob for you guys today. And this is the one that I got from WavyMy. Like I said, this is an 18 inch, so it definitely is on the shorter side for me. And it gives you an idea of what their 18 inch looks like, because sometimes we'll order something thinking it's gonna be this length and then we get it and then it's something like this. So if you are ordering their 18 inch or anything under 18 inches, you guys have to know that it's actually going to be shorter than this. So keep that in mind. Light brown highlight in there. There is some black pieces in there as well. Some really light blonde pieces. It's a nice highlighted unit, and I think it looks really good on my skin tone. I feel like it complements me very well. I feel like it like brings my skin tone out even more. And off camera, I did put some concealer in the part, but the part actually comes in the unit, as you guys saw. I really do like the lace on this unit. That's one of the main things that I have to say that I'm really feeling about it, because as you guys can see, I didn't have to use any baby hair, any product or anything like that. No baby hair or products were used. You can still like, you know, do the comb test and see that none of this is adhered down, and you guys see how seamless this looks. So I really do like that about it. I did just do this little swoop right here, but other than that, you know, I didn't do anything as far as like baby hair is concerned, just because I feel like it looks better with like something right there instead of just having the hair like stop right there. And this is a closure unit, so the track actually does start right around here, and this is, I'm not sure on the inches for this one, but you do get a lot of space because it goes from there all the way down here. So from here to here, you get all of this space all right there. And I did shift my unit off to the side a little bit because it did have the curved part. So I was like, you know what, let me just shift it off just a little teensy bit off to the side, and voila, here we go. Now, as you guys saw, this actually was very quick and easy to put on. If you are a beginner, this is a perfect beginner unit. And I think it's also great for the spring and summer months, and definitely perfect for summer, which is right around the corner, because as you guys can see, this year is already flying by. This is definitely gonna be perfect for vacation, for those hot days that are coming up. And it's sunny and hot here in LA, which it kind of is all the time for the most part. So I think this is something perfect for this time of year. I absolutely love it, especially for people who like curly hair, but you don't want to have like so much of it, because let's be honest, like curly hair can definitely get a little bit overwhelming, especially when it's hot outside. It makes you want to just like take all of your hair and put it up like this, like get it off of you, get it off your neck. But something like this is very lightweight and airy, and I really do like the fit of it. Because this is a glueless unit, I didn't have to use anything to adhere it, but I will say that I actually like the fit to it. The only thing that this unit has is the adjustable elastic band at the very top. There's nothing in the back. There's not even a comb in the back. So that would be my only critique about this unit, is that I wish there was at least a comb in the back so you can like hook the unit underneath your braids. But I will say, for me, even though I have like a smaller head, it still fits me pretty good. It's not too loose. I don't have like a huge gap in the back. It's still close to my neck, you know what I mean? It's not like you don't see a big gap right there. You know, it's still like there on my skin, because sometimes I get certain units and they're glueless units and they just fit so big and it's just like annoying, honestly. So I like the fit of this one, even though it doesn't have the comb in the back. I would definitely say that this is big head friendly if you have a larger size head. Sometimes people ask me that and I'm just like, I don't really know all the time how to answer that, because I don't have a big head. So I don't know if I can even speak for the big head community, you know what I mean? I can only speak for the girls with the smaller to medium size heads. I would say this is definitely one of those units so that can fit everyone. So if you're worried about that, you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, once again, I really like this color. This color is really pretty. I like the highlights. They're very subtle. It's not like chunky, blatant, obvious highlights, and the curl pattern itself is really pretty as well. Mind you, I styled this unit right out of the box. I did not wash the hair. I did not bleach the knots. I didn't have to pluck the hairline. I didn't have to do anything but literally put the unit on and style it. And I really appreciate that a lot of companies companies are doing that now, because it saves me a lot of time and saves me a lot of money on buying a lot of products, because as you guys know, I do a lot of hair reviews. So because of that, I tend to have to, like in the past, I used to go through buckets of bleach, like a bunch of developer, you know, and then sometimes I would have to spend time like correcting like my over bleach knots and all of that, and then you have to go in and pluck, and plucking alone can take at least minimum an hour, like to really get like your unit to look good, minimum an hour for me. And you guys know I do this, so even though I'm like quote unquote a professional, like it still would take me time to pluck a unit, you know. Definitely, I wouldn't, maybe not an hour, I would say 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how thick the unit is. And speaking of how thick this unit is, I'm not sure on the exact density for this one, but it is really full, and I like that about it. It's not too thin, because when you have a bob like this, you want it to be fuller. You don't want anything too thin. I would say this is a little bit above average, so I would say it's about 180% density to possibly even 200% density. It's very, very full. Very, very full unit. Really like the density on this one. I don't know if you guys can see all of that. Beautiful, beautiful hair. And it doesn't have like a weird smell to it, you know, because sometimes I'll get units and they smell. And when you're selling a unit right out of the box, you want to make sure it doesn't have any smells, because you don't want to be walking around and people are like, ugh, what is that? You know what I'm saying? Because your hair, like when your hair blows in the wind, just something as simple as your hair blowing in the wind, people can smell your hair. So you want to make sure that you don't have any smells, which I appreciate about this unit. It doesn't even have like a chemical smell. And even though they bleached the unit, even though they put these highlights in the unit, the hair is actually still very healthy. And I love, 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 love that. So shout out to WavyMy. This is my first time working with them, and I have to say that I'm impressed. I really like it. Like, once again, can we talk about the lace, like, and how natural, like, the lace just looks good. I love the curved part that they have in it. It's a lot of space in it. And then if you don't want to have the curved part, you can put it in the middle part if you want to. You don't have to wear it off to the side. But you guys know me, I'm always wearing something to the middle. I'm definitely a middle part kind of girl, because you know, there's different girls out there. There's girls who only wear side parts, and then there's girls like me who prefer a middle part. So I had to switch it up today for you guys and, you know, stick with their side part, but you can definitely switch the part up if you want to. And you get a lot of space on this unit, so you can play around with it. You can do different styles with it. You can like braid the top half if you want to, like do 2 braids. You can even put the top half like up in a ponytail. This is not all of it, obviously, because I have it shifted off to the side, so you do have a lot of space. You can, you know, put it up in a ponytail if you want to. You can just do like a flip over without a part. You can do a middle part. You can do whatever it is that you want with this unit. You're not subject to just wearing it one kind of way. And like I said, it's perfect for the girls who are on the go, who don't have time to do their hair. So if you're interested in this unit, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. If you have any questions that I didn't cover today, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Once again, I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, WavyMy Hair. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.